Day 2 for Arm Recognition editorial team at UMEX 2020, the International Unmanned Defense System exhibition in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. During 3 days, Abu Dhabi is the center of the world for the manufacture of unmanned systems in the field of land, air and navy. Army Recognition is the official online show daily news and official web TV for the event. Follow us with our latest news and our latest videos.
I'm Myriam Dolo-Largetot, the new sales director of Ageris. Ageris is a French subsidiary of John Cockerell Defense company, ex-former CMI company. Ageris is specialized in simulators. Recently we developed one new product linked with maintenance, which is named the Virtual Maintenance Trainer. And today in UAE, we are very pleased to introduce our new project, which is not at the moment the new product, but very soon, which is the Drone Academy. In fact, we started our main idea from our project with Safran, because we won a market for the French Armed Forces named Patroller, which is the big drones of Safran. And thanks to this project, we developed a new one, a more generic project, which is the Drone Academy, in order to provide a new type of training for all users of drones all over the world, in fact. We are still developing the project and we hope to launch officially the new product during Eurosatory next June in Paris. When we see the market of drones and UAV, it's an increasing market, and we think that this type of solution is typically dedicated for all pilots and all operators. That is to say, with this type of simulators, with the 3D dimension, you can recreate all actions of pilots or operators in order to prepare their future mission and to be more trained. That's why we developed the Drone Academy, dedicated for medium and big drones. Thanks to this type of new products, you can both see what a drone sees, so you can train to see which type of cameras, radar, night and day cameras, and for example infrared radars sees. So it's very good for operators to be more used with this type of solution. And for pilots, it's very good to learn how to take off, for example, how to flight and how to land very easily, because it's not dedicated for one type of drones. It's dedicated for many types of drones. That's why its name is the Drone Academy.
One of the highlights at UMEX 2020 is the Ganesha. It's a new helicopter drone designed and manufactured in UAE by ADNEC, a subdivision of Edge, the new industrial defense industry of United Arab Emirates. The Ganesha has a range of 150 kilometers or line of sight. It has an endurance of 6 hours and a maximum payload of 100 kilos. It can run at maximum speed of 140 kilometers. The Ganesha helicopter UAV was unveiled the first day of UMEX 2020.
name is Eric Freeman. I'm CEO and founder of Alpha Security and Defense. We are a Spain-based technology company based in Madrid. We are delighted to be here at UMEX sharing the Alpha 800 gasoline-powered small helicopter UAV. It is a product designed and manufactured in Spain. It is particularly noteworthy because of its 3 hours of endurance made possible with a gasoline engine. It can carry up to 3 kilograms of a payload and has a range of approximately 50 kilometers. There are really 4 to 5 main attributes that are important when comparing technology products that are similar to this. One is the autonomy, the endurance that any UAV has. 3 hours of autonomous flight time is very important. Second is payload capacity. The Alpha 800 can carry up to 3 kilograms, which is also special. The range, the 50-kilometer range, is a third attribute that makes it important. And then, importantly, the design as a helicopter, as opposed to a multi-copter, allows it to fly through wind and rain more effectively than ever. So those 4 are very important. And the last is price. So on a price, quality, versatility, reliability scale, the Alpha 800 is extremely competitive. We have it flying in multiple countries. While we manufacture in Spain, we sell to the Spanish military. Spain's first responder unit, the UME, has our helicopters flying. We also have them used for missilistic research in Spain's Military Research Institute. We're part of several important European-funded initiatives where we collaborate with Thales and with DLR to use the Alpha 800 as the platform for first responders. And of course, we're in countries like Turkey and Indonesia and Georgia and the United States and Spain, and we're delighted to be here in Emirates. So we have autonomous landing on a moving vessel, we have GPS-denied navigation, and we have autonomous auto-rotation in case of engine failure. So it's a small 14-kilogram maximum takeoff weight gasoline-powered platform, but it's extremely sophisticated. And in fact, we work with some of the world's largest defense companies which use the Alpha 800 as a test platform for bigger systems. So we're delighted to provide it both for security, for border control and surveillance purposes, for all types of ISTAR missions, as well as for use by other UAV manufacturers so they can test the latest UAV technologies on a smaller, more affordable platform. At UMEX, we have a wonderful selection of attendees who represent all elements of the armed forces here and throughout the region. So it's important for us as a company based in Spain to learn from the market what their actual requirements are and to share with this audience what we believe to be a very versatile and reliable platform.
My name is Danelle is a state-owned company, a manufacturer of defense systems ranging from unmanned systems, missiles, and artillery systems, based in South Africa. The Seeker is an unmanned aircraft system derived from the Seeker 200, which is a globally recognized system. The system is a multi-role, multi-mission system. It can carry both tactical and strategic missions. We've got a range of up to 250 kilometers line of sight. In this particular configuration, it has a satellite capability which allows us to go a little bit further. A Jabiro engine is made from a supplier from Australia. The system is fully designed and produced by Danelle in South Africa. Well, the purpose here is to make sure that the system has a multi-role capability, in which case the munitions that you see, which is a P2 and MP systems, both designed by Danelle, allows the commanders to be able to take out opportunistic targets. We are introducing it to a number of markets, especially in this part of the world, in the Middle East. We're talking to a number of customers and we're making a huge progress. We have indeed signed a few contracts in this part of the world. This system shows that South Africa is up there with the rest of the world in terms of unmanned systems and our capability to make autonomous systems, either be them missiles or be them unmanned aircraft systems.
We hope to also to take part, this is AAD, we hope to also to take part there, and we will be there in big numbers.
My company is Beijing Aviation.Jointly helicopter. My company's purpose is to make different levels of drones for the training. And for our company, we have already made big drones for the military training and also for the civil use to ship the cargoes and to spray in agricultural areas. This one is the Dragon UAV. And this is the multi-used for the military use and the civil use. And this has already been used in the target helicopters in the military training, and also has already installed the missiles and the bombs as the attacked helicopters. This one is the CAP UAV. It's very flexible to use, and it's very convenient for the soldiers when he was in the danger areas. He just get this. There is the camera and can take some pictures. And here we can put some tear gas or some chemical materials or some suicide materials here, just as the suicide UAV. This is the UAV boat, and it's just for the sea monitors to check the water, to check the water status. We want to open international world, and we know this UMEX international show is a big show, and a lot of important customers and officials will come here. So we want to show our Chinese-made products to the world. This is our purpose. China has already, pay attention to educate our own talents, and so Chinese intelligence is very important one part of the world, and we also want to show our ability, our national ability to the world.